I'm HVAC Repair Guy, a former nuclear power electrician with 17 years in the field. I've worked on pretty much every gas pack out there. Today we are comparing two entry-level gas packaged units, the Blueridge BRP7GE Series and the ACiQ PGB4 Series. On paper, both heat and cool your home, but there are key differences in parts access, physical protection, manufacturer backing, and long-term ownership costs. Most homeowners focus purely on the badge, but what really matters is what you will spend owning and servicing the unit over the next 15 or 20 years. Blueridge is manufactured by Allied Air Enterprises, a division of Lennox International, and features louvered panels that provide full physical protection for the coils. ACiQ is manufactured by ICP, a division of Carrier, but uses a standard wire coil guard which leaves the outdoor fins more susceptible to damage. In terms of support, Blueridge is built specifically for direct-to-consumer sales, while ACiQ leans on distributor networks. ACiQ includes a 3-year unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails early. If a part fails down the road, Blueridge customers order replacement components online. An independent technician can pick up ACiQ parts locally at an ICP or Carrier supply house. Both units deliver baseline efficiency, 13.4 SEER for cooling and 81% AFUE for heating. AFUE tells you how much of your gas bill actually turns into heat inside your house. At 81%, about 81 cents of every dollar you spend on gas creates warm air, while the rest goes out the exhaust flue. SEER measures how efficiently the electric compressor cools your home during summer. Since both units sit at standard regional minimums, your monthly utility bills will be nearly identical with either system. Both units use single-stage gas valves, single-speed compressors, and single-stage inducer motors. A single-stage setup runs at full capacity or is off, like having a light switch instead of a dimmer. You do not get whisper-quiet intermediate speeds, but you get simplicity and cheaper, faster repairs. If you live in a hail-prone area, Blueridge louvered panel construction offers significantly better heavy-duty protection than ACiQ's exposed wire guard. Regular maintenance like cleaning the outdoor condenser coil and swapping air filters keeps these cabinets running smoothly for 15 years. Raw equipment pricing for both models typically ranges between $3,000 and $4,200 depending on tonnage and heating capacity. With professional installation, total turnkey costs usually land between $6,500 and $9,500. ACiQ costs slightly more upfront in some sizes, but includes that 3-year unit replacement warranty and broader dealer support. Blueridge keeps initial equipment costs lower, but you carry more responsibility for sourcing replacement parts under warranty. If you want heavy cabinet protection and direct-to-consumer access, the Lennox-built Blueridge is a solid pick. If you prefer Carrier-backed engineering with local parts counters and a 3-year replacement guarantee, ACiQ makes a compelling case. If it were my house, I would lean toward the Blueridge BRP7GE Series for better peace of mind against coil damage in severe weather.